Welcome to Silver Cajun Metals for another YouTube video. I know our daddy got the coronavirus going around, and I hope you and your family and friends are all doing well, and hopefully we're going to get through this real fast. So on today's video, we will be melting a couple of pistols. That's a real nice graphite mold. I think it's around 2 troy ounces, and we're gonna melt some and see how they come out. Came out pretty nice. Been coming out around 2 ounces, 2 troy ounces. And bowl came out really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and polish them, stamp them, and see what they weigh. And we'll get back with you and show you how they came out. Well, finished stamping and shining both of the pistols. See, it came out really shiny. This came out nice. Back of it, 2 troy ounces, 0.999 fine silver. And the other one, that one came out good too. This one came out to 2.5 troy ounces of silver, 0.999 fine silver. It was a little over pour, but I kind of like this one a little bit better. It's thicker. See how that one look? You know, with the barrel of it and all. And watch this one. A little bit thinner. Still nice. I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Appreciate it. Everybody, take care of yourself. Be safe. Please subscribe. Leave a comment below, like, and we'll see you at the next video. Thanks.